Hey everybody, Jen Jones here, newest dance. Grab your cone because we're going to learn it with the cone or orange, whatever you want to do. It is the Scotland Tartan Army March USA 2026. I'm going to turn around, but I'm going to make it easy. So it's going to be two versions, one with the actual steps, one with just triple steps. So I'm going to turn around and show it to you. Okay? It starts on that left. So it is forward, side, with a sailor step, sailor step. We're going to walk forward, forward, then we're going to do a shuffle forward, then you're going to rock recover with a coaster step, step quarter turn with a cross and cross, cross and cross. Okay. The real easy version is just going to be forward, side, triple step, walk, triple step, rock, recover with a triple step, step quarter turn with a triple step. With the count, it is just 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I want you to have fun with this. Have cones, have orange, put the cones on your head, put the cones on the floor, whatever. Send me your favorite video because that would be really fun to see everybody doing this. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed. See you soon. Bye-bye.